Today we're going to show you how to make this super easy, super yummy potato salad, but it's deviled eggs potato salad. Bringing two great flavors into one. Yes, Lulu, you're going to get some. You're going to get some. Want to see how we make it? Just keep watching. Yum. All right, so for this recipe, you're going to want to start by boiling about 2.5 pounds of potatoes. I'm going to do them skin on in some salted water. It takes about 15 minutes. You can use whatever kind of potato you want. Red, yellow, gold, blue. I wouldn't recommend sweet potato, but if you wanted to, why not? Knock yourself out. I'm using russet for this recipe. All right, and so for potato salad, you need potatoes. Now would be the time to also boil your eggs. You're going to need 6, but I already bought the hard-boiled eggs that were already made. Yeah, I cut corners sometimes too. Don't judge me, Lulu. All right, so now we're going to let these boil and cool. Okay, so when the potatoes are cooked, you're going to put them in a cool water bath. All right, so while those are cooling, we're going to prepare our eggs. So we needed 6 hard-boiled eggs. We're going to separate them from the whites, the yolks. All right, we're going to just take those right out. But we're going to save the whites because we're going to chop those up too. All right, so we're going to continue doing this till we got them all separated. All right, so once you get them all separated, you want to add 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, about a tablespoon of mustard, about a tablespoon of pickled relish, just about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. All right, so now we're going to mix that all up together so it's till it's nice and smooth and creamy. Except it's going to have chunks of relish in it. All right, so once you have it all mixed together, you're going to season it to taste. So I added some salt, some cracked black pepper, and some paprika. Got to have paprika in a deviled egg salad. Okay, so we're just going to mix this all up. All right, and there we have our potato salad dressing. See, nice and easy, nice and creamy. Give it a taste. It's okay. It's okay. It's going to be a little tangy, which is nice because you want that because the potatoes are going to be a little bit bland. And it's okay if it's a little salty because, again, you're going to be seasoning the potatoes as well. All right, so now now that we're all done, we're going to prepare our potatoes. We're going to peel them. If you cool them right, the skin should just peel right off. Yeah, see that? Nice. All right. So we're going to continue to peel these nice, and then we're going to dice them up. All right, so once you got your potatoes all nice and cubed up, you want to do, nice bite-sized pieces. You don't want to leave them huge, but you also don't want them to be, tiny where you don't even notice them. All right, so then we are going to do a rough chop of our egg whites. Again, small pieces. You don't want them to be too big, but you want to know that you're eating egg. All right, so we're going to chop these up. All nice. And then when we're done, we're going to add them to our potatoes. All right, so we're going to finish this up. So we added the chopped eggs to the potatoes, and now we're going to add our dressing. Let's get that all right in there. It already looks amazing. All right. So then we're going to add one last thing. It's all this beautiful dressing out of there. Yeah, so you don't want to miss a drop. And then lastly, we added about a tablespoon of chopped scallions. Just a quick tip, when you buy the scallions at a grocery store, they have roots. If you have put this in a cup of water, or if you have a garden, throw it in the ground or in a pot. Within a week or so, you can have new scallions. So, yeah, so waste not, want not. All right, so now we're going to carefully fold this all together. doesn't that look good? Yum. Excuse me. All right, so there you have potato salad. All right, so now you want to serve this nice and cold, so we're going to pop this in the fridge. Before we do that, we're going to top this with a little bit more paprika, because this way it looks more like a deviled egg, right? All right. So we're going to pop this in the fridge for about an hour or so, you know, because you want this nice and cold, and then we're going to try it. Nice. All right, so we're about to put this in the fridge to chill for an hour. So what should we do? That's right, it's cocktail time. Yeah! All right, so for our mango Mai Tai martini, we're gonna start with 1.5 ounces of spiced rum, 1.5 ounces of mango vodka, about 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of mango juice, and a splash of grenadine. All right, so we give that a shaky, and we pour. Ooh, how good does that look? Nice. All right, so now if you want to garnish it with some fruit, you know, some pineapple, cherries, whatever, but I just want the drink. Cheers. Ooh, that's nice. Light, refreshing, chock full of booze, just the way I like it. If you make this, let us know. All right, so we've allowed this to cool in the fridge. Got our cocktail on. Now it's time to try it. Oh, that looks so good. Can't wait. Yes, Lily, you're gonna try in a second. So good. Mmm. Wow. So creamy, so delicious. It's like eating deviled eggs and potato salad at the same time. Wow, that's good. Perfect for like lunch, brunch, a picnic. So yummy. Wow. And I know Lulu's ready to try hers. Yes, Lulu. I'm gonna make you a plate. I'm gonna make you a plate, okay? All right? Now you're happy. See, Doug's excited. Yay. All right, I'm making you a plate right now. I'm making you a plate. Sheesh.
If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Poppy's Cucina. Thanks!